Hello, David Bradley from the box room here. So if you were looking at your Commodore 128 in 40 column mode, and you wish that it was in upper and lowercase rather than upper and graphics mode, you press the Commodore key and the Shift key, and everything will go down. So that now, like say I want to do a catalog and I want to do the C and the shifted A, it looks like the C and the shifted A and not the C and a club from a deck of cards. And if I hit return, it will show me the directory. And it is in the directory unless something was in uppercase. It's now in lowercase. If I press the Commodore and the Shift key, it will go to uppercase. I know it may be a little difficult to see there. And also, if you push down the Shift lock key and you hold it down, it will flash it back and forth. Anyway, Shift with the Commodore key. That will get you from upper and lowercase to uppercase and graphics mode on the Commodore 128. Thanks so much for being here. In the box room, David Bradley, signing off.